Hello. This is part two of learning Russian from scratch using just ChatGPT talking only in Russian. So the idea is the same as my previous video. I'm going to just try to learn how to write and kind of speak Russian by only talking to ChatGPT in Russian. I know essentially nothing about Russian, but I'm going to use my I'm going to use my general knowledge about how language works to try to infer the meaning of the text that GPT produces. I'm just checking that the stream is working. Okay. So I was thinking, since last time, there's sort of there's an aesthetic here of kind of eschewing any cultural references at all. But I decided to soften up on that a little bit because I think it's just going to be pretty annoying to infer the sounds that these letters make in the Cyrillic alphabet without hearing any Russian speech. So I'm still not going to do a good job of that, but now I'm going to at least use cultural references. And the idea I had was to ask ChatGPT to spell out some Russian names. So what Russian names do we know? Well, we've got composers. Who are some of our Russian composers? We got Rachmaninoff. So let's ask how to spell Rachmaninoff. All right, first I'm going to remind myself about the keyboard a little bit. Fuvap. These are just my guesses at the pronunciation of these letters. Some of my guesses are fairly confident, like pi, and some of my guesses are not confident, like whatever this tiny b, tiny l thing is. I think it's a vowel, but I don't know what it is. So we got Fuvap, rolled, whatever this is, and then Richisme, and I have no idea what these are. Auke, Ungshe. All right, so how do we say Rachmaninoff? Where did the row go? Oh. Rach. Now I'm going to guess that the Chi looking letter is Ch. Rach. Ma. Now we have E. Rahmanet. That's probably. I'm just guessing that this is and this is E, like Privyet. Privyet. Rachmaninov. Rachman. No, and now is it an F or is it a V? Rachmaninov or Rachmaninov? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Okay, Rachmaninov. So maybe this backwards N guy is I rather than E, because I don't think it's Rachmaninov, unless it is. Rachmaninov. Maybe this is a V, but you say it F when it's at the end. I think I've seen it written with a V at the end. Okay, here we go. Sergey. It's not Sergey, it's Sergey. Sergey. So my guess is E is What do you call that? A schwa? No. There's and there's And this is, my guess is this is E. Sergey Rachmaninov. So this means composer. Compotor. Maybe this is ST? Compositor? We don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a tzaddik, if I'm being honest. And when I say kind of, I mean it looks exactly like a script tzaddik. So maybe it's compositor. This maybe is piano. Pianist. Director. Is this kt? Director? Who has a letter for kt? I guess the Russians. Ktel? All right, well, let's do another one. Who else? Who do we have? Tchaikovsky. I have no idea how to write tch. Guess we'll find out. I guess we can just do T and then ch. So T and then chai. We need some. There we go. Backwards N with a chipchuk. Chai. Where's K? Chai. Kov. Ski. I don't remember where S is. Oh. Richisme. Ski. Now, how do you say E? Is it this? Oh, there's no T. It's just Tchaikovsky. All right, fair enough. Gotta have two E's, definitely. I was hoping there would be some. I was hoping this would be like a single consonant, but I guess not. Does the sound okay? Yes. That's another composer. I wonder if this means also a composer. Oh, here we have the full name. Peter. Petter? What is the E with two dots? E with a diacritic. So E alone is I'm guessing. But then this is with two dots. Could be long. Petter? Who knows? L. Ilyich? We know Ilyich. Where do we know Ilyich from? Is that one of the communists? Like, is it Leon Ilyich Trotsky or Lenin? Vladimir? I think Lenin is Vladimir Ilyich Lenin? Am I making that up? Anyway, we know Ilyich. But also now we know what this little b is. Ily. Oh, maybe we don't. I. So this is I. Okay, so E is or normal E is This backwards N thing is an I'm guessing. And then Ilyich. Right, so the B is a Y. Okay. This little B thing is a Y. Tchaikovsky. Now, why couldn't you have said backwards N followed by tiny b? All right. Oh. This might mean Tchaikovsky makes music. Yeah, we still don't know what this is. Mutsuki. Maybe the BL is some sort of diphthong with Y because it has a tiny B in it. Mutsuki. Mutsuki. Pesal. It's a funny word. Pissal. What on earth is that cognate with? If he makes music, what is cognate? How is pissal? Like, is it cognate like facile, like or like manufacture, like FAC? Like fact is make, I guess, or do, and that's a bit of a stretch. Rachmaninoff and Tchaikovsky, true. They are componist and then plural. Compositori do. Tchaikovskogo? What? Is this like Tchaikovskyan? All right, let's just do some more. Who do we got? Shostakovich. Oh, this is Shostakovich should be good because we're gonna find out what now we're gonna find out what sh is. Shostakovich Ilyich. That's this backwards end thing. Shostakovich. Ah, okay. This W shin thing. It's a shin. Did Cyrillic just take from Hebrew? Because that's cultural appropriation. Anti-Semitism. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I think this is a shin. Oh, I think my friend told me that. But I forgot. This is a shin. It means sh. Shostakovich. Shostakovich. Okay. We pretty much got it. Ooh, what's his whole name? Oh, Dmitri? Dmitri Ilyich? Maybe this is just E? Dmitri? Dmitri? And what is this? Dmitrievich? Dmitrievich. Nice. Dmitri. That's like Tom Thompson. Dmitri Dmitrievich Shostakovich. Chasto. Ooh, this means century? Veke? And what does this say? Grisnar? Strashnar. Umnar? I don't know what that is. Shostakovich makes oh, excuse me, does not make music. He makes symphonia. Okay. Symphonia. Symphony. Excuse me. Why do you have two ends? Two backward end things? Shouldn't it be a backward end thing and then a backward end thing with a check? Isn't that how we do it? Two backwards ends. Okay. Shostakovich. So, I don't know if this is just like because these are famous composers. In English, you don't necessarily make a adjective out of everyone's name. But maybe in Russian, we just... Okay. Compositori. Who else? Scriabin? That's a Russian, right? Let's just ask about Vladimir. We could ask about Putin. Let's save Putin for later. Gotta maintain the sanctity of the artists. Scriabin. I'm not really going to learn too much new except how to spell Scriabin. Scriabin? Is this R? No. Here. Scree E. Is this E? Scree Ben. Wait a minute, what's B? I'm blanking. Do we know B yet? How do we not know B? Scree is it, maybe this is B. Anything could be Screa bin. Alright, let's just Screa bin. Scree wait, scribbin? Scribbin? Oh, scribbin? Alexander Scriabin. That sounds right. Okay, so this is B. That's good to know. It's kind of like looks like a B, I guess. In retrospect. It's like a fancy B. Regular B is not B. Regular B is, we just learned this. But I forgot. I totally forgot what little b is. What's little b? We just learned this. Oh, Ilyich. Oh, little b is a Y. I'm guessing. And then actual b is curly b is actual b. But what on earth is backwards R? It's like, is it a diphthong? I mean, you see it in English, it's Scriabin with IA. Alexander Scriabin. Scriabin. Can it really be RYA? Or no, sorry. The R is here. Scriabin. Scriabin. It could be like YA. Scriabin. Bolshevna. Okay, if the backwards R is Ya, is this Aya? Bolshevnaya? Like Bolshevik? Stranaya? Myagka. Is this magic? Myagkarya? Oh, this might mean mystical. Mysticheskar. Yeah. Philosophio. Okay. Okay, so we've learned several things about letters. That's good. What do we not know? There's some letters that we don't know. What are some other composers. Balakirev? Is Dvorak Russian or like Czech or Hungarian or something? Let's try Balakirev. But I already know all those letters. I want something with a ts. I guess I can just ask about Tsar. Tsar Alexander. Let's ask about Tsar. Surely there's a Tsar Alexander, right? Tsar Nicholas. Let's see. Tsar. So the clumsy way would be Tsar. I guess I'm convinced that there's a letter that is ts. Where's E? There you are. Oh, maybe there's a letter that's X, so this will be good. But I feel like we've seen Alexander and it's not. It's just like KS. Alexander with no vowel. Okay, Tsar. Alexandra. Oh. Wait. Alexandra. Sounds like a woman. Is there a female Tsar? Tsarina? Alexandra? Yeah, Alexander. Oh, is it plural? It's kind of funny. Okay. Like Tsar Alexander's? Naverno. Navernoe. Govoreshe. Govoreshi. Pro. We still don't know what this funny, crazy letter is. It could be a W. But anyway, that's good. We know now. We know what this thing is. It's a This is probably a ts. Wait, but that means that the tzadik is not a ts. Okay. Tsarim. Nikolai. Nikolai. Nikolaya. Nikolaya. Crepusno. Bravo. Well, in Age of Empires, a crepost is like some kind of castle thing. Maybe this means castle. Otmenel. Pobstvo. Papstvo. Like Pabst Blue Ribbon. Umer ot veruva terror. Tsara. Wait, what was little b? Tsari? Tsarya? Alexander? Posne. Posne? Or Rosne? No, there's no N. Rosier. Oh, Rosier. Russian. Oh my god. I want to learn. So we know what sh is. What about w? And what about je? And what about j? Do we have a j? Jabotinsky. Who are some actual Russians? Who are some Russians? I don't know if Jabotinsky is Russian. Do we know any Russians with a J? I don't know. Tsar. So Trotsky. Maybe Trotsky has this. So Leon. Leon. Trotsky. Where's the N with a chipchuk? Is it up here? Oh, Lev. Excuse me. Not Leon Trotsky? What am I thinking of? Ili. So maybe also called Leon Trotsky. Lev Trotsky. Yep. Okay. So this is ts, almost certainly. And then Vau ne Chelovak Estori Roshi. Like Chelovak is an individual, so like an important individual in Russian history. Kto on. Who is he? So Kto maybe means who? Does that match what we saw earlier? Kto is asking for a person. Maybe Chelovak means person. Kto, Chelovak. Who is that? I thought this might have meant who. Good day. Alright. Whatever. Lev Trotsky. Who else? Oh, Pushkin. Oh, we already know SH. We already know sh. Pushkin. U. We don't know u. Unless it's that little VL thing. Where's tiny B, tiny L? Come on. Oh, poo. Oh, I don't know how to type the sh. No, yeah, this is sh. Pushkin. Eh? Pushkin. Well, that makes sense. This is like an upsilon. But what's BL? Pushkin. Alexander. Okay, come on. Is every Russian named Alexander or Vladimir or Lev? What are the other? Oh, Dmitry or Sergey. Those are the 5 names. Alexander, Lev, Dmitry, Sergey, and Nicholas. Who is he? Poet? Poet? Okay, we have like 3 letters that we think are eh. What vowels even are there? A, E, I, O, U, I. And then if you add in Y's or W's, you can get, or you could have diphthongs. Dramaturg. Dramaturge. Pesatel? Pesatel? Pisatel? Maybe this means player? Was that the same verb we had from Rachmaninoff? Pisal? Pisatel. Sounds kind of similar. Maybe it means play. Play music. Rachmaninoff plays music because Rachmaninoff is a pianist. Ocheni. We still don't know what this is. Vawe? Vawen? We also don't really know what this is. What are some other names? Ivan the Terrible. Oh, what's that crazy guy's name? The guy who can't be killed, Rasputin. I think we know all those letters. Let's do Dvorak. Oh my goodness. What? Antonin Dvorak. That's pretty, it's kind of cringe. It's anglicized. That's how we say cringe. In English, the way you say cringe is anglicized. Or, I mean, cringe pronunciation. Dvorak. Zh. Okay, so this is a zh. That's good to know. But what is zh like cognate with? I don't know what sounds. Like B is cognate with V sometimes, or like V is cognate with F. You get sound changes between those those sounds. But what does zh come from? Maybe it's related to sh, zh, j, Dvorak, 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 Dvorak. Okay, so now we don't know what this means because we know that ts is this other thing. Czechy. Oh, he's Czech. Okay. My bad. Not Russian. True. Symphonia. 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 E Novogo Sveta. Znameneto. Symphon. I don't know what this means, but I'm wondering if this is Symphony from a New World. Symphony of a New World or Symphony from a New World? I think it's Aus Neue Welt, which would be more like from than of, I guess. Novogo could mean new, and Sveta could mean world, but I don't know what Sveta would be cognate with. Sveta. Svetlana. Dvorak ne Rus. Now, how come you're saying you have a Y here, an upsilon here, but you have a omicron or an O here? Dvorak, zh. This is zh, gel, Gil, Ilyich, Gil. This is Russia, I'm guessing, but this is Russian. Chesh. He's not Russian, but rather Cheshki, Chesky, Chesky, Ches, Chesh, Cheshki, 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 Melodechnaya, Kras. So they're describing his music. Dvorakian music. Oh, this could be Z. Never thought of Z. This is probably Z. Definitely. Dvoraka. Krasevaya. Krasivaya. Something and melodic. Krasivaya? Nove. So this is New World. Lem Klushal? Well, if this means heard or like, then the answer to both would be yes. So I guess I can say that. And it is sad that ChatGPT keeps asking me questions and I don't respond because I don't know what the fuck you're saying. Da. Now, how do I say me? I forget. Also, how do you say you? I totally forget. Oh, is it backwards R? Where's Y? Oh. Slushal. That's probably not the right conjugation, but slushal? Am I sure that this Y thing is oo? Ruskia? Ruskia? Ruskia. Ruski. Slushal. I don't know how to do the fancy quotation marks. Novoi. Wait, did we figure out what BL is? We did, but I forgot. I think it just is like a Y. Novie. Svet. Now I want to ask, what about you? Is it like this? T? Wait a minute. Is it correcting me? Okay, the conjugation is klushal. No, slushal. Now, what on earth is that cognate with? I've heard it, or I like it. Symfonio ni Novogo Sveta. Ocenne Krasevaya Musica. Alright, I think it's good music. Or something. Are these the 4 parts? Oh, is Rimsky-Korsakov Russian? American. All right, what should we ask about next? So we've gotten a lot of the sounds. Wait, what is little b, little l? Little b is y. Fancy b is b. And little b, little l, what's that? I feel like we've seen it in one of these names we think we know. Maybe not. Alright, I think we've seen the number 3 somewhere, way earlier. Let's do a little search. Okay. Tree. Odin. Odin. Tree Doma. So I'm assuming that this is 3. Could be 2. Probably it's 3. So we're going to say, we want to learn the numbers now. So let's go Odin something tree tre something something etc. Chesla bot. No, come on. Okay. I'm annoyed that you use numerals, but it's fine. We would have assumed that that's what it was. Dva. Good, yeah, that's 2. Odin. Dva. Tre. Chet. Chetu. Cheture. Piat. Piatti. Piatti. Shesto. Shesti. Semi. Vosemi. Vosemi. Volsemi. Okay, I recognize. I don't really recognize the D here, but the rest of it is normal. Dva, that's of course cognate with duo and zwei and two. So we're learning that it could be that a W or a U, like a W or a U, become a V in Russian. Tree, tree. Cheture. So quattro or tetra. So we got like some sort of vowel inserted here. And we got the k became a ch. Actually, I don't know what the PIE for 4 is. Is it 5 is like penque? But I don't remember 4. Piatti. So instead of our English or eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, etc. 10, desiati. So we got the it seems generally more like Latinish or Greekish than Germanish. Guess it is closer geographically. What's sem though? I mean, septum. Vosem. I don't understand this vosem thing. Devyat. I don't recognize that either. Okay, let's go. Let's try to get 0. Tre, dva, Odin. Noli. Kak v rakete. What? Wait, I hope this doesn't mean blast off. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Start. Polet. Pusk. Noli. Okay. Dva. E tree tray X so we want to learn how to say equals. It's probably going to use the symbol equals, which I don't want it to do, but it'll be fine. Then we need to learn plus, but first we have to learn, how do you say 5? Piet, I think. It's like the piat. Okay, I don't really remember what the vowel is. Piat? Piatti? Where's my tiny b? Slovo. Ravno. Ravno? Really? Alright, now we're using symbols. Come on, I'm not going to read that. Stop. Alright, we need to tell GPT so we're just going to ask good old GPT to oh, we're still using our English keyboard. Back to Russian. We're just going to ask GPT to avoid using symbols and only use Russian words. Oh my god. Whatever. Okay. Let's just copy our old prompt and get it again. Now are we gonna use some more pluses and equals? No. Okay. Wow. It successfully didn't. Okay, so Ravno. Slovo X or Kai or something is Ravno. Okay. Now we want to know what plus is. So we're going to say, alright, we can just copy that because lazy. Okay, Ravno. No. Im no. Wait, did we figure out what this thing is? It's not sh. Oh, Dvorak. Dvo umnoj umnožetje. Umnožetje? Dva umnožetje na tre pa ravno šest. Wait, what? Excuse me. Two. No, you're thinking of times. No. What the? What happened? That's not good. That's not good, folks. It's not good, my buddies. What? Okay. Oh, it thinks I'm asking. Oh, it thinks I'm using Kai as times? Is that what's happening? Okay, let's see what we have here. Odin. Okay, here we go. It told me what it was. Odin plus. Okay. Odin plus Odin ravno 2. Ch. Would you say that ch, like ch, like this thing, is would you say that equals like t plus sh? Tsh, tsh, ch. That's equals, right? So t so t plus where's that IO thing? Oh, here we go. Plus t plus sh. We know sh. Ravno. Would you agree with this? Da? Please don't use English letters. No. Oh my god. Is that using... Wait, maybe that's not using English letters. Okay. It's probably still in Russian. That's good. Klog? Ha. Ha? Ha ha ha. Ochenie be veselo. Veselo? T plus sh. Ne? Ne? T eto te. Sh eto sha. Ch eto ch. Okay, well that's not very helpful. Okay. I don't let's try this again. Oh my god. Okay. How do we say plus? Plus. Plus. What was I saying? S. Ravno. This thing. Don't use English. Don't use English. Ooh, Ochene. Ochenye. Interesno. Very interesting. Ochenye. So maybe Ochenye means very, and interesno is interesting. It doesn't equal? Okay. Otdeli. What's the Odelinaya? Otdelinaya. Bukva. Net. No. To Dumesh. Call me a dumbass. Dumeshi. Kak. Langvest. Language. In Russian, eto tverduy. I forget what this is. Evik. Che. Tse. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. This is Tsar. Yeah, I do think it is T plus S. Alright, either we're not communicating, or I'm just, you know, not understanding what's happening. Alright. Where were we? Okay, so I think I know how to say plus and equals, and now it's telling me how to say times. Oh, and minus. So cheture, so that's 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 times na. Wait a minute. Not 3? 2 times 3 equals 6, right? Maybe this is like the verb phrase or something. Vosemi divided by 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. What on earth? How is Vosemi 8? Like, what do we have? 8. Acht in German. 8 in English. oct in Greek, and in Latin it's also oct, I guess. Wait a minute, in Greek is it oct? I don't really know my Greek. I don't know any languages. I barely speak English, okay, guys? My dad said that once. We were like visiting a friend of his. And every time his friend asked me a question, I'd be like, let me think about that. And then give an answer. That was a little weird. And then my dad told his friend that English is my second language. Or it's not my first language, which is funny because it is my first language. But in a spiritual sense, my first language is the language of thought, shall we say, is the polite way. As Fodor would say. Okay, so minus, that's good. Minus, and no. Wait, do we learn what this is? Dvorak. Umnojeti. Umnojeti. So this reminds me of monogo, which means something like many. Umnojeti is times, multiply. Menagerie. Is menagerie related to many? I'm just making stuff up now. Okay, what is... I forgot this backwards. I forgot this 3 thing. What does that mean? Did we learn that? Have we seen this anywhere? Do we see any names with this backwards, with this 3 thing? No? Leon Trotsky, Lev Trotsky. Okay, I'm definitely right about this letter. Trotsky, right? It is T plus S. Fuck you. I just want to know what 3 means. Okay, we haven't seen 3. Okay, compost. Okay, well, we didn't know what it meant here. But, it's a consonant. Maybe it's ST? I feel like we've seen ST written out before, which doesn't preclude that. It could be an X. Have we seen X before? Compositor? Could be. Seems strange. Compositor? Oh, it's a Z. We did learn that somehow. How did we learn that? I think this is a Z. I guess we can just try to find where we've seen this. I'm using the menu to do find because I don't know what it maps to in the Russian keyboard, but I couldn't find the menu item that is find. I needed to use find in order to find the menu item for find. It's a bit of a chicken and egg type of situation. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is Z for some reason, but why? Pezdel, skazal, musica, right? Unless it's something else. Mustica? That doesn't make sense. Ez? I wonder if that's actually cognate with aus. It may just mean out. Oh, it could be X though. Wait a minute. Muxica? It could be Muxica. Is Chocheshi uznatie uznatie compositor. I think it probably is Z. Let's go with that. It's a Z. Don't even like it looks like a this kind of looks like a what do you call it? A zeta, right? Vaguely. Zvik. What was I trying? Why did I want to know this? What was I looking at? Oh, was I looking at the different like plus times? Okay. Divided. 8 divided by 2. Oh, maybe this means by. Na. Well, how it wouldn't be times by. I guess you could say that. Oh, multiplied. Oh yeah, we have the same ending here. Eta. So maybe that's like multiplied, divided. Okay, umnożeta, umnoż. And then razdeleta. Razdel? Okay, what is razdel? I'm not thinking of anything that razdel is cognate with, obviously. Chocheshi, igru, come on, how is a word? Excuse me. Chislame? What? Chorosho. Horosho. What? Slovo X. Eto. Okay, so we know how to say equals. We know how to say plus times divided by. And minus. Minus. Eto. Tverdui. Zvik. Che. Alright, I don't know what zvik is. Let's ask about that. Zvuk. 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 Da. Zvuk. Etoto. Chto. I keep forgetting what BL is. Mi? Mia? No, that's little b. Alright. Slushem. Slushem. Some examples. This is a sound, this is a sound, this is a sound. These are some sounds. Syllable? Shim. Shum. Shumne. Shumnei. Shumnui. Shumnui zvik. Zvuk. K is Tverd. Tverdui's zvik. Zvuk. Ucho. Klushet. Klushet. Zvike. Zvuke. Mozg. Mozg pon nemet slovo. Ponemet slovo. Mozg. Mozg. Chocheshi egratye. So zvikame. Slovame ili bukvame. Bukvame. Slog. What? All right, let's try to ask something interesting. We looked at question words. We looked at pronouns. I want to know some verbs. Oh, I want to check that we know what 0 is. What was it? Noli? Nolu? Oh, null. Null. Obviously. Frankly. Nully. Yeah, obviously it's like null. Okay. Oh, I wonder if I can ask it to break down words by their roots. I mean, not by their roots, by their morphemes. I don't think it's gonna, I don't know how to communicate the roots as opposed to just, like inflection, which would be helpful as well. But, I don't know how to ask this. Well, are we missing sounds? Let's see. Do we know all these things? This is some kind of E or something. This is ts, u, k, tsuke, itsuke, 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 fuvap, urchisme, itsuke, fuvap, urchisme, ungsh, ungshiz. We don't know what this is. It's some kind of funny. Sh. Polj. Dvorak. J. Polj. Polje. Poldje. Tibio. Oh, plus. U. Tibio. Tibio. And then we have these things. Ch, I assume, and I don't know what this is. Well, have we seen that at all? Oh, we've literally never seen this letter, so it's probably not a real letter. This letter we've definitely seen, but we've only seen this letter in the word eto. That's a little suspicious. It's kind of suspicious. Oh, here we go. Etemne. Se eteme. Well, that could be some sort of form of eto. Slovame. Okay. All right. Why is this letter only in this? Oh, here we go. Poet. Maybe it's no, here's another one. Okay. Duela. Duella. All right, so we're talking about Pushkin. Pushkin. Umer V. Puella, Poesio, Poems, Poetry, Lubet. Okay, Lubet. That must be love or like. Um, Maybe. Let's see if we can figure out for sure what this IO thing is. Govoro, Ludai, Mnogo, Lu, Gilead, Lude, Delaut, oh yeah, I tried to get it to say love, and I just didn't know these letters. Nana, Papa, Obnemat, Mamja, Obnemat? Okay. Alright, not really sure what this is. Krasniu, Pomog, Potom, Sozdatia, Krasnio, Armeo. Who are we talking about? Trotsky. Davidovich. Bronstein. Lev Davidovich Bronstein. That's Leon Trotsky's name? I guess. Godi. Ibet. Okay, does Ubet? Oh, Ubet like Obet? Maybe? Dvorak. Ubejal. In Mexico. He died in Mexico. What? All right, still not sure what that letter is. Pabotal, Pabotal, S, Lenino. He's a Leninist. Pabotal. Rabotal. Rabotal. On Bull. Revolutionaire. Revolutionaire. Yeah. Bull. He led a revolution. He was revolutionary. Rabotal. He followed, taught, learned, founded. Okay. I think we got some progress. I think it's time to wrap up. This was fun. What do we need to do next? There's all these particles that we just don't know. Particles are always going to be annoying and tough because they're not going to map cleanly onto the particles in other languages. But we can try. We should also try to ask interesting questions that we actually want to know about. The thing about ChatGPT is that it's not as compelling to talk to it versus a human, because with a human, you like intrinsically want to communicate. But with a GPT, it doesn't really feel like you're communicating. And so it's not as intrinsically compelling. Like there's not a person over there who is thinking about what you're saying. So it's less stimulating to kind of like I don't want to ask what it's thinking about. But I can definitely get it to answer like factual questions. All right, well, this was fun. Thanks for tuning in. For some reason, like 100 people watched the previous one. Presumably they mostly didn't watch it, but they watched it for at least 30 seconds because it registered as a view. So that's weird. Anyway, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Goodbye.